Hi there. I just wanted to jump on and record a quick little video to say hi and let you know that registration for Make a Splash Self-Publishing, Test the Waters Before Diving In will be closing at midnight tonight. If you are at all interested, take a look at www.cindyfolkauthor.com/enroll, ENROLL, for more details on the course. And if you are ready, you can sign up for the course there. This will be the second launch for Make a Splash Self-Publishing, Test the Waters Before Diving In. The first was in February, and I found it so rewarding working with the students that signed up and went through the program. They were all really wonderful people, and I believe they found the material both helpful and inspirational. I would love to work with you if you are interested in writing and publishing a book independently. I say independently because you will make all the decisions with regards to your book, from the words you write, the editor you choose, the interior formatting, and the cover design. It is really a neat experience to take your book from your first draft to your book launch. Registration ends at midnight tonight, so get signed up before it's too late. I hope to see you inside Make a Splash Self-Publishing, Test the Waters Before Diving In, where you can learn exactly what to expect with regards to self-publishing a book. With this information, you will know if you're ready to move forward with the dream of writing and publishing a book. Hope to see you there.